The reason we sought advice and assistance for redoing our house was mainly driven by my wife, and she wanted to have a place that was really hers.
Our family is expanding. Our children are getting married, and I'm hoping that someday we'll have grandchildren. So I wanted more living space, more usable living space.
Some of the challenges we had in the home was the kitchen was very small.
We just didn't have functional space. So we wanted to try to figure out how do we utilize the space that we're in all the time.
We needed to move walls. We needed to build out of the back of the kitchen. We also needed to take out another wall and move into the living room. We chose Owings because of the people. From the first time they came out for their initial consultation, all the way through the project, we were more than pleased with everyone.
Going through and having a very regimented process and moving through a large project like this was really something I was looking for, and they were able to offer that.
Our experiences with the Owings showroom was always fantastic. Every time we went there, they were able to provide us with computer images of what the kitchen looked like now and what it would look like in the future.
A number of the things that Owings did is they built on a deck and a screened-in porch, so really extending the living space of the home. They remodeled our kitchen, they expanded it.
The things that I love most about this kitchen are the bar and the island. The bar, I just like the presentation that it gives. The island's big, it seats a lot of people, and I have 2 ovens because of it.
Our experience with the lead carpenter could not have been better. He was warm, he was friendly, he became part of our family, and they took care of the dog, adopted her like she was one of their own. She got to go for walks on their lunch break, and they would put her out before they left for the day, and just really made us feel very comfortable. I would recommend Owings in a heartbeat.
We have already recommended them to a number of friends, and I will continue to recommend them to friends.